Okay, let's see if I can do this. I created a Teams meeting called Test, and I sent the invite to myself. I logged into it on my district laptop and also with the Teams app on my iPhone. There's also a Teams app for Android. So how did I do that? Let me show you. Once you have downloaded the Teams app, then you can just click on it and you will see the Teams calendar. I have different meetings, so I'm going to click on this one, this test meeting I made earlier today. I can still use it actually. The link is still good, even though it's no longer the meeting time. I can still go in it and do my tests. So I'm going to say join. You want it so the video is off and the mic is off. But I also want to turn off my phone audio by clicking phone and then selecting audio off. Otherwise, you end up with audio from more than one device and you will get echo, feedback, or both. Now you are ready to join the meeting. Press join now. So I can join a Teams meeting using either Outlook or Teams. Let's try Outlook. So if I go into my Outlook calendar, I can select the meeting and then click where it says join. As before, you want it so the video is off and the mic is off and your phone's audio is off. So the reason it just has this, it's only showing me myself. So if the only person in the meeting is me and me, it's going to show my phone me here, and it's going to show my laptop me over here. And both of me will not be visible as participants at the same time, in theory. Okay, now for screen sharing, what I need to do is to go down here to the three dots. Right here it says share. And then down here it says share video. And then it will give you more choices. And you will click start presenting. There it is over here. Everything that you see here. There you go, here's my face. So you might notice that it's vertical. Here's what you do if you just change the direction. It will go horizontal using my fancy tripod. Oh yeah, there we go, right here on the paper. Here's my paper. Let me write something here. And when you are done, you will press stop presenting. And then it goes back to this screen. Do you all remember this hack? We all saw it at the beginning of the pandemic. Woo! And it's basically you take these cans, and then here's my phone, and I can make my own little document camera so that I can get everything in there. Yes, sort of. It's a little hard to get it in and actually look at all the cans. It's a big part of my screen. That's not ideal. I mean, you can use it. It's fine. But I wish there was a better way. If only there was a way to Google smartphone document camera hack ideas. So what I did is I got a vitamin bottle and I just used be careful, I used a blade to cut this kind of an angle in it. I actually did a different one, although I'm going to keep it around just in case. I epoxied these together. I used 5-minute epoxy. Woohoo! And I find that really it actually needs 3 cans and then my bottle. So let's try this. Here's my document camera. You can see it up here. It's working. And then, let's see, I'm going to put it right what if I just do 2 cans and a vitamin bottle? Oh, that's totally better. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? What? That's awesome. Okay, there we go. Problem solved. I'm going to put it upright. This doesn't always work, but it works. It works a lot. It works often. I put it upright, and then I'm going to slide it into my tripod. And what you might notice is that you can actually see the cans off on the side there. And let me see if I can get rid of that shadow. There we go. And if you're careful about it, it will usually stay, but not always. So I'm going to carefully slide it in and hope it stays. There we go. Our teachers rock. Woo! Thumbs up. Oh my gosh. This is our life now. We're doing this thing, putting it horizontal. It should flip. It's not flipping. So what's going to happen in front of students is I'm going to try and do something. I'm going to mess with it for way too long, and I'm finally going to give up. So what I'm going to tell you as advice is just give up right away. Just as soon as you can't get it to go, you're just like, oh well, it's the other way. No biggie. Let's move on. Putting it into the spot. And let's continue with our demonstration. Oops. And here we go. I'm adjusting. Here I am. I'm adjusting. Our teachers rock.